Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Well, Mongo's making ramps today. Those not quite straight. Well, it's junk wood. It'll be perfect. So, cue montage. There's a nice new set of car ramps. So these lower ones, they 3 feet long. These upper ones, 16-inch. 30-degree angle on the cuts. Should be able to clear some of the lower profile cars too. Got 2 inches of a stopper in the back. Yeah, Mongo like them. Gets you up 6 inches off the ground from the bottom of the tire. That's pretty good. Stand up vertically so you can get them out of the way too. Well, hopefully this video helped you if you ever want to make your own set of just basic ramps out of junk wood and junk screws. This whole thing was free and none of it got wasted. Nothing went to the landfill. Well, if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working on all sorts of stuff. Mongo, thank you.